This is the first design. I have to fix this. I have to still fix it. I'm making it new again, so even though winter's almost done, I want to look good. So now the idea, you want to put it on. You're thinking now people are going to be looking at this because it's the outside of the boot, right? So this is where it has to be the most. So what we want to do is we start at the end. I'll put a little blob there, and just to explain it right now, so put a blob there and then a little blob as I go. Blob it down, and I can control it, as opposed to one big blob and you're trying to fit it in. Alright, so here we go. Did it again. Okay, so what I want to do is get right there, pull that off. Any loose shit, get rid of it. Where's the scissors? Hey, just get rid of it. Okay, so basically down to this line, that shit's got to stay, so just put a nice little blob there and come around with it. Oh, just a blob-a-doo-ba-doo, and that's good. It'll go down there. See that? As I was saying, just a little bit at a time, right? Because then I can control the line, you know, as I said that before. Okay. Pin it around, right? Oh God, looks professional again. We don't want to stretch it, we just want to lay it down. Dry on one side, but it's not dry on the other one. We just put the blob there. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Doing it proper stupid. Okay, now as you can see here, it's all going good. So I'm just gonna go here, boom, all the way up the cloth itself, and do what I didn't say I was gonna do, and just pull it over and fold it down. Fold it around too. It's around the back. Nobody's gonna see that. It all looks good. Boom. You think anybody's gonna really notice? Now look at this. Ow! I'll just put a little hole there. Okay, so I've cut out the tightening line, and basically what's really going to happen, we want to fold it over and glue it onto the cloth, because I can always pull out the felt to dry it out, and this I can dry out easier if it's not on the felt. But now I can glue it now, because you know how I am. I'm just great at everything I do. Okay, so there we go. Get that in there. One little blob. You see the blob? It was like a professional blob. I bet you if you went to Paris, you can get a blob like that. See, just go, oh, ow! Okay, now, this is where we come back here. And we just glue it. Boom. Glue her down. Nice and neat. Okay. You know what it looks like? It looks like a World War I army boot. When they had in the trenches, when they had it down over the boots. Look at that. Hey? You see me coming? Think marriage, baby. I'm a catch.